So the black one and the red one. So, and I see Filt pens. So just for fun, let's redraw my the cart pull cart insert that I made to be able to transport boards. So we use these. I won't draw to scale now. I'm just going to pretend I'm drawing. So that was the razor point, pilot razor point blue one. I think these are they 0.4 or 0.5? Which it doesn't say. I forgot what they are, but they are not very thin. So, and I have the black one and the red one, so let's save those. So now I'm going to, I have to kind of use the compasses to find the crossing point of the support beams. I'm just going to eyeball this bottom beam. So I'm not going to draw this to scale or anything. Just going to try this out. So let's say for some reason I wanted that beam to be there, and I wanted this beam to be like here. So, and I have the middle of this, and I can use the black one. So the middle here is 7 centimeters. And of course I don't have quite a sheet here. I'm going to pretend that's perpendicular. That's perpendicular there. So if this is 10, this is also 10, so it's good enough. So to get the middle line, do it like that. And then I can sketch out the center line there. So now what I want to do is that I want to pretend that I have to make up some measurements here. Let's say I know that one beam should be, I can just make up some. And just pretend that I had one beam should be 9, and of course I wanted it to be like half of the board size. So now I want to reconstruct this, and I just decided that this support beam go here, and I also wanted it to be sunk down into this beam here, so that I could make a lap joint. So I wanted it sunk down to the middle. I'm just inventing measurements here, but the way I did it was that I wanted it sunken down, so the same length sunken down makes me come there. And also we could place many boards here, so Could have boards all the way up to there. So if we wanted support for a board that rested there, we have like this one. So this is the left support point, this is the right support point, and this is the sunken support. So now what we want to do is we want to have another support here that goes somewhere on the middle of this one. So wanted support to be at the middle of the cart. So we have all those, and also if we have boards that slides to this stop here, we want supports that look like this. So now these kind of represent boards being pulled all the way up to the support, and those sliding down and only resting on the tip of the support. So we want to calculate where this support beam is going to be. And what I did was that I imagined that worst case was this one. So I went for this one and made this the support beam. Place it there, and then on the support beam I added a movable piece that actually would adjust for the position of the board here. So if the board went like that or like that, this support should pivot around some point. And we actually see that the pivot points are somewhere here. So somewhere here we want a pivot point. So what I did was that I just went for one of them. So I decided to have a pivot point like that. So then what I could do could then have the support being the one adjusting for, I mean, it could go there, it could go there, it could go there, it could go there, just pivoting around that point. And so I'm going to leave that out for now because I just wanted to test these drawing tools. So let's say now this is my beam. Place it there. And now I want another beam, and I knew the length of that one because I didn't have so much material, so that one was shorter. So now what I had to do was I had to find how to use this support board. So if I put that one there, I use the compass to get the, let's see, I haven't drawn this to scale, so it doesn't actually intersect anywhere. So I have to simulate something here. So let's suppose it's like this one. So now what I can do is I can decide to have this beam being somewhere on this line. It has to be somewhere here to actually be touching this. So somewhere between here. So I don't remember how I did it, but let's go for that one, because then you get the most force perpendicular to the length of the this one. So I just press, I do like that because it has a width. So let's do it like that. Yeah, so this was almost crap. I mean, it doesn't mean anything. So, because I got all the dimensions wrong, but at least I got to play with my new pens and tools and such. And now I can pretend I'm going to do the pivoting point hole here in red. I can do it like that. And if I want to, I can imagine one there. And I'm just playing around now. Can mark these small holes in red. So anyhow, now I have new pencil lead for my drawing kit. I have new Filt pens with a small tip. Let's see how those work. And I haven't tried that one yet. I haven't tried my technical pen. I really don't like when you buy things and you feel stupid.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee and enjoy.